what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Into a new hotel after shifting from this island, and the only route to go to the main city is this ferry. This cat, she's doing her work. What work are you doing? YouTube shorts. She's doing her YouTube shorts.
Friend looks nice.
Oh, cat's friend looks nice. Hi friend. Oh, it just went. And we've been in a ferry every day almost. Gary left yesterday and it was so nice meeting him after such a long time. I'll just show you the view.
Sleepy.
You wanna sleep?
Oh, I want to have chips.
Okay, by the way, I put it in the other bag.
Oh shit.
I can take it out. ऊपर ही है. It's ऊपर ही एकदम ऊपर.
ये भाई खाना है?
हाँ. Orange वाला भी है. Wow. We have chips. Ramen yesterday. Chips खा रहे हैं. We've reached the property finally. This cat stressed about nothing actually.
Stressed about money.
And
Stressed about where will I keep all these money?
we came to. It's nice, no?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Small and cute.
Yeah, small and cute. And look at this cutie. Hi. Oh, did I just? I'm sorry. Right now, we've just checked in and so tired. So cute.
How cute is that?
Yeah. Have it? What just happened? Nice. I like it.
Well, because it is should.
Going to have lunch. Let's go. Cat is making a video of me. That's how we make videos. Like I go aage and she makes a video. This is our lunch area. I'm having my soup because I'm obsessed with soups.
Yeah.
The soup is nice. Yeah.
Really good. But it's supposed to be more thick and spicy. But it's okay. I'm gonna rate this 7.
For me, it's 8 for food. It looks so nice.
That I'm having a lot of pineapple juice. That it's very good for.
Going back to the room, we had a lunch and we might go to the beach, click some pictures. That's our room. Let's go inside. We were supposed to go out, but we're taking some rest because we've been traveling since morning. We're going to the beach to click some pictures. Wow. The sun. Cat's baby shower. Cat's baby shower happening with cat running away from the baby shower.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just like
Yeah.
shy.
Mom.
Yeah, mom.
A shy mom.
See?
Yeah.
Big freaking baby right here.
You're having time of our life.
Best time of our life.
Yeah. All complain that I never show my outfit. So this is my outfit for the day. Belongs to cat, belongs to H&M, and I belong to my parents. So pretty. To the beach. Cat's favorite part. Favorite. I also like beaches. I've started liking beaches because we have like almost traveled to the beaches. So beautiful. I love the sky. Oh my god, so pretty. We're gonna sit here for some time. We took some pictures there. Guys, still taking some pictures and so beautiful. There's no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel. Came back from the beach. Cat clicked such great pictures. I know I'm repeating this, but she's a great photographer. And abhi we're just in our room waiting to go for an evening snack. Obsessed with this necklace from this brand called the Ivory Jewels. Such cute neck pieces.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter.
Some nahi hai beech mein apne se mat.
Bought butter.
But the butter was bitter. So Betty bought
So Betty bought
better butter.
better butter to make the butter bitter.
Yes. Say 3 times.
To make the butter
Butter. To make the bitter butter batter. Better.
bitter butter.
Better.
Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought another butter.
Not another butter. Better butter.
Betty bought another butter from Amul. The butter was better.
Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better.
I would have bought Amul butter. It's better.
Dinner we are here for. What are you saying? तू ही था जो खींची थी.
वो जिसने खींची थी वो धोती खींची. Something.
Hi, good morning. This is another day. Last night we had our dinner. Then we went again to the beach to look at the stars. I couldn't record it. Many reasons. First, you can't see the stars in the video. They're there only. Wait, cat's calling. I had to cut the video beach mein because cat is talking to me.
इतना deep है bro. तू तो डूब ही जाएगी अंदर.
We're talking about the pool.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to swim. And it's really deep right now. No. Okay, it'll be fun. I don't know how to swim. यहाँ पे आज ठीक है चल
सीखना है.
चल स्विमिंग सिखा रही है मुझे. Breakfast time. Just headed back to our room. I don't know what we're gonna do after this. What are we gonna do?
We might just shoot. Let's see what can we do. I look so stupid right now. Nice lighting now. Now I look like a butterfly.
Butterfly?
Yes.
Out of nowhere,
I
butterfly.
just can't fly, but I'm a butterfly. 7.
This is the pool. We're sitting outside our room and Kat is editing my picture and we just realized that no filter. She's disappointed because no filter goes with my pictures.
This?
Oh yeah,
This looks
it's
nice.
nice, yeah. Finally we found a filter for my pictures. I'm gonna post on Instagram, so go to my Instagram and check the picture. Wow. I like this. We're having some vitamin D here and I'm doing some work. We've come for lunch. We're gonna have some special Goan thali. I just don't like sweets.
Starting from the crab, we have got prawn curry, and we have clams, then we have mutton chukka, then we have kismoor, then this is chicken shakuti, and this is chana roast.
Samia.
Alright? And
Yeah.
we have got soor curry, gulab jamun, and a salad with it.
Yeah.
Rava kingfish.
Wow.
Nice.
Enjoy.
Wow.
Thank you so much. That's amazing.
Let's shoot now. It's the
Yeah.
best part.
Just be in this spot.
Okay. We're going to the beach, going to click pictures. We are gonna leave tomorrow morning at 4. And guess what? I'm gonna reach Jammu at 1. 1 in the afternoon. Kat is gonna reach Bombay in an hour. Is the outer area, the ground, the coconut trees, and my face. So we guys always carry 2-3 clothes with us so that if you wanna change and all, we can do it in 2 minutes. Came back from the beach because it was very sunny, so we had to shift to this place to click pictures.
I'm
Because-
super stressed. I look sick.
Because she looks sick. She doesn't look sick. She's just
I'm sick and my hair looks shit.
liar.
My hair
Liar.
is so bad, yeah.
No,
क्या
yeah,
करूँ
I
मैं?
love it.
Guys, suggest me something. What should I do with my hair? Should I make a channel about my hair? How sad I'm about my hair, and I'm just gonna talk and rant about how I look tired and bad and ugly. My hair is not good. Should I do that? And
Did somebody just call?
Shit.
If you're ugly, then the world is.
If the world has you, no one is ugly.
I so much. If the world has you, no one is ugly. Baba cat. Again, heading towards the beach. Starfish. The sea.
The
I
starfish.
found a starfish. I will not touch this. This is scary, bro. Oh, this is mud. God didn't do good to us. I was so excited, but ये बना कैसे, bro?
This is moving. So scary.
I'm going in the water because I want to wash my slippers. on my feet. Yes, let's go back now. Come for dinner. I'm waiting for dinner. Your skin is glowing. It's literally glowing. No, there's no acne. It's so cute. I like the acne. Papad kha lo, friends. Papad kha lo, papad. With some salad. It's nice? The papad is nice? Really? Are you were obsessed with masala papads, no? We're taking some sweets.
Because we haven't got our food yet.
Yeah, we're waiting for our food. And these are the sweets. Look at the crazy amount of sweets. Of course, it's buffet, so that's how it's supposed to be. Mutton seekh kebab. How's it? It's nice and spicy. We are so full that I'm just having one roti and some murg palak. Because we had so much of starters. It's currently 4 a.m. and we're leaving this place and going back home. Both of us have a flight at 7. Cat's bag. And I have a connecting flight to Jammu. Oh god. Taking my connecting flight to Jammu and I'm gonna fly back to my home. Yeah, this was it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.